Hi, Glam Gram Donna here with the monthly Better Beauty box. I want to say this is for July. I don't, because it says, yeah, it says $175 value, July 2025, and it's called the Makeup Edit. I really like this box because you get a mixture of everything. So the first thing is going to be the Flight 70 Glow Back Global Prep. And it says this sheer lightweight primer helps brighten and smooth the look of skin without shimmer. Niacinamide supports tone and texture, while notertium flower extract helps defend against free radicals and blue light. With sodium hyaluronate for hydration and vitamin E for softness, it creates a subtle, healthy-looking glow. Can be worn alone or under makeup. And this product alone is worth the box. It's $45. So let's take a look and see what this looks like, because the fact that it's illuminating, I like that idea. Anything that makes me shiny. Uh-oh. I had this problem with it the other day. Yeah, it's just not coming out. It's got a weird kind of opening. I thought maybe you take it out, but it says to turn it until it clicks. See, did that work? Nope. Can't get it to come out. I hate to squeeze it because sometimes then it just explodes on you. Well, there it is. There it is. You have to turn it upside down. So that's what it looks like. It's very smooth. Oh, and it does give a glowy look. Can you see that glow? I put it too close on my hand. Maybe now. Can you see it right here? It's satiny smooth too. I like it. I can see myself definitely just wearing this without putting any makeup on, because sometimes I just want something to blur my skin and give it a little bit of radiance. So a primer that can be used alone is always a bonus. Next, there is the lipstick lacquer. Flight 70 lip lacquer in the color Das Model. Maybe it's Das Model. I don't know. So that's the color. And that's what it looks like. So it's kind of like a coral color, which isn't always my favorite color, but I will try that and get back to you. And the cost for this is $34. $34. Next, there is a Flight Discovery. It's funny, the same thing that was in the Bomi box we got in this box as well. So again, it's the Hazy Cheek Cream Heartbreaker, or Hazy Cheek, I don't know where I got Cheek. Hazy Cream in Look of Love, and the Glow Back Lucent Light, Just Like Heaven, and I believe this is like $10. Is that what it says? $10, yeah. So at least I'll have two to try. Next, there is, and this I think is just beautiful. This is from the company Delilah, and it is a Sunset Matte Bronzer. I don't know, it looks like it's in the color of Sunset, and that's it right there. It looks a little bit orange. And this alone is $54. It says this Universal Velvet Smooth Powder Bronzer delivers a naturally sun-kissed finish that enhances your features with sophisticated warmth. Sun-kissed finish that enhances, I read the same line twice. The completely matte formula allows you to precisely sculpt facial contours or add an all-over glow that looks like your skin, only more radiant. I definitely will give it a try. Like $54, I'm down. I'd do that. And then finally, there is a Eyeline Longwear retractable pencil, and this is $32. It says, experience the transformation power of Delilah's award-winning waterproof eyeliner with a built-in sharpener. This innovative pencil combines the precision of a liquid liner with the ease and control of a pencil, creating flawless definition for eyes of all ages. So let's try this over here. So I can't read the color, but I'm guessing it's brown. And like I said, this is $32. So this box is definitely worth some big bucks. And like I said, I enjoy it every month. I think the products are good, and I definitely will give them a try. So please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel a lot. Consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you would leave a comment, because that helps the algorithm and shows that I'm engaging with my audience. So once again, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.